Hi, grad students. You have a grad student only project, which is the difference between this being an undergraduate course and this being a graduate course. As for higher order thinking skills, I am going to extend this class for you by asking you to come up with 3 prevalent issues in your gifted and talented programming and services for your school district or for a district that is meaningful to you. So that could be the district you attended as a student yourself, that could be the district that your children attend, or it could be the district, as said before, that you work in. The goal for this project is for you to identify a concern that you have. Perhaps it's the way services are provided. Students could be identified, how identification is provided in an alternative pathway. It could even be things like how students are accelerated or not accelerated at all. Other options I've had students do in the past would be communication, increasing communication or improving communication in the district. So what I want you to do for this project is after you have identified 3 things that you believe are problematic or warrant improvement, I would like you to come up with suggestions for improvement based on research. So let's theoretically say that it was about the assessments used in identification in your district. The first part of that would be to identify what is problematic or needing improvement in the identification process. And then the second part of that would be what you would do differently or what suggestions you would provide the board or whatever other stakeholders are in charge of making those decisions to improve that process. And in doing so, you'll need to reference research from the class, or if you choose to use supplementary resources, you will have to cite them. If you have questions on this project, please let me know. It is not necessarily in a particular structure. Perhaps if you want to make this useful to you in your current position, you could create a PowerPoint that you actually are going to present to parents about identification, or a frame for a newsletter that you're going to send to teachers on a monthly basis. The actual way you choose to present these 3 areas of improvement and what you're planning to do is up to you. It can also be a paper. That part I'm not concerned about. It's the actual process of identifying an area that has needs for improvement and then what you're going to do to improve those areas that I'm most concerned about. If you have questions, comments, concerns, let me know. This project is due on the last day of class, so please submit it in Module 8. Thanks so much.